Welcome to Teacher Deb's Reading Corner. I am Teacher Deb, your online reading buddy. Hello kids! Are you ready to learn how to read? Let's get started. In this video, we are going to learn about the short sound of family. Let's practice. P, up, up. Your turn. Let's practice. B, up, bop. B, up, bop. Your turn. Let's practice. K, up, cop. K, up, cop. Your turn. Let's practice. Up, hop. Up, hop. Your turn. Let's practice. Up, mop. Up, mop. Your turn. Let's practice. P, up, pop. P, up, pop. Your turn. Let's practice. T, up, top. T, up, top. Your turn. Let's read the words again. Bop, cop, hop, mop, top. Your turn. Well done, kids! Remember, practice makes a big difference. Thank you for watching! Kindly click like, and if this video helped your kids to read, don't forget to subscribe for more reading videos. See you on our next videos. Keep safe and keep reading one word at a time.